Here at Ixplor, we're passionate about products that enhance your adventures, and these awesome roof bars are no exception. Whether you're transporting heavy loads or on a family trip to the beach, these roof bars will prove an extremely useful addition to your vehicle. These heavy-duty aluminium roof bars are designed to the highest quality to ensure your kit stays safe and secure at all times. But just to ensure safety and avoid any damage to your vehicle, we're going to run through some great user tips. Let's begin with the front roof brackets. They are designed to suit both sides of your vehicle and are angled to suit any slope of roof. First, remove the yellow film from the tab and stick the tab to the bottom of the roof bracket. Clamp the roof brackets to the vehicle's side rail using the correct bolts, fixing brackets and nuts. When attaching the roof bars, always make sure they're facing upwards. You want to loosely secure the roof bars onto the roof brackets using the top hat brackets, nuts and bolts provided. Now your roof bars are central and in position. Tighten all fixings to the correct torque settings. Fix the top hat covers over the top hat brackets, making sure the front and rear of the brackets click into place. Don't forget to check these fixings on a regular basis to ensure security. If required, use the adjustable load stops to keep your loads in place. Slide the rail plates into the roof bars. To fix the adjustable load stops, align the pegs with the holes in the rail plates. Place the bolts into the yellow caps and put the assembly into the load stop. Slide the load stops to the required position and tighten by hand, and then use the hand tool supplied to tighten further. If the load stop is removed from the roof bar, remember to also remove the rail plates. I hope this guide helps you use and install your roof bars with confidence, safely and stress-free.